In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Microsoft Teams microphone if it's not working. This issue can be quite frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of an important meeting or presentation. But don't worry, follow along and we'll get your microphone up and running smoothly. First things first, let's check your physical setup. It may sound obvious, but ensure your mic isn't muted. Often, our headsets or devices have tiny mute buttons that can be missed. If you're using a headset, you'll want to check if the cable is securely connected, or if you're on Bluetooth, ensure that connection is stable. Sometimes a simple unplugging and reconnecting of your device can do wonders. Make sure to try that, as it can reset any temporary issues with your connection. Now let's make sure that Teams itself is set up correctly to use your microphone. Open up Microsoft Teams and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From the drop-down, head into Settings. You'll find the Devices tab there, click on it, make sure under Audio Devices that the correct microphone is selected. To be extra sure everything is functioning properly, you can click on Make a Test Call. This feature is handy as it records and plays back your voice, letting you know if the mic is successfully picking up sound. Next, we want to confirm that your operating system is allowing your mic to function correctly. For Windows users, start by right-clicking the speaker icon in the bottom right of your taskbar and navigate to Sound Settings. Under Input, ensure the correct microphone is chosen. Don't forget to check Device Properties to make sure the volume isn't muted. Also, a quick visit to Privacy and Security Settings, specifically in the microphone section, will allow you to confirm Teams has the necessary permissions to access your microphone. If you're on macOS, go into System Settings and then Sound. Confirm the correct input device is selected. It's crucial to then head to System Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and ensure that Microsoft Teams has permission to access the microphone. Finally, if everything seems right but the issue persists, consider updating or restarting Teams. Occasionally, a simple restart of the application can fix temporary glitches. Click on your profile again and select Check for Updates to ensure you're running the latest version. Additionally, restarting your entire computer can clear up any lingering issues that might be affecting your mic. With these steps, you should have your microphone up and running on Microsoft Teams. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has helped to resolve your issue. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.